Hi y'all, today we're going to be doing something pretty simple, pretty easy. We are making an applesauce cake. For this we have some applesauce, we have some baking soda, some sugar, some baking powder, salt, some ground cloves, some ground allspice, some shortening, a couple eggs, some cinnamon, and some flour. But before we get to baking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to baking. Hi y'all. We're going to start with 2.5 cups of flour. Then we need 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, and then 2 cups of sugar. Now we're just going to go ahead and give this a quick mix. 1/2 cup of water. Then we want about 1/2 cup of our shortening. Then we want our 2 eggs. Then we want 1.5 cups of applesauce. Then we're going to go ahead and get this well combined. Now, you know we always bake our cakes in cast iron skillets on this channel, but you don't have to do that. Alright, so whether you're cooking this in a cast iron skillet like me or you're using a traditional cake pan, the next part's going to stay the same. Gone ahead, lightly greased it just so cake wouldn't stick. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 55 to 65 minutes. Until a toothpick inserted in the middle of the cake comes out clean. At that point, I'll bring it back. Alright y'all, and there we have it, an applesauce cake. Now if you would like, you can go ahead and frost this up however you may please. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video where YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.